Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 8 marks the latest evolution in the flip-style foldable lineup. With enhancements in screen size, battery, performance, and AI features, Samsung is pushing its compact, stylish foldable to new heights. In this video, we'll explore every detail, from design and hardware to real-world use and verdict, bringing you a full picture of what the Z Flip 8 brings to the table. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Z Flip 8 retains its iconic clamshell form, with a robust hinge mechanism that Samsung has refined over generations. The ArmorFlex hinge, first introduced in Z Flip 7, continues to provide smooth folding action and improved dust resistance. Visually, the device is sleek, with a glass and metal sandwich design, rounded edges, and premium matte finishes. Though compact folded, it unfolds to a full-sized smartphone screen, balancing portability and usability. Samsung also maintains an IPX8 rating for water resistance, keeping the phone protected even in rainy conditions. Unfolded, the Z Flip 8 reveals a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display featuring QHD+ resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Utilizing LTPO technology, the screen intelligently scales refresh rate depending on content, balancing smooth visuals and power efficiency. With peak brightness upwards of 1700 nits and support for HDR10+, it delivers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and crisp visuals, even in bright sunlight. One of the major upgrades is the larger edge-to-edge 4-inch cover screen, which echoes the design of the Z Flip 7 but refined further. This outer display supports 120Hz refresh rate and gestures, enabling you to reply to messages, control music, preview notifications, launch apps, and even take selfies, all without opening the phone. It transforms the Z Flip 8 into a highly functional device in its folded form. Powering the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a flagship processor optimized for Samsung's software and custom AI features. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the phone delivers snappy performance, seamless multitasking, and smooth gaming at high graphic settings. The chipset also brings advanced energy management, which helps extend battery life alongside the efficiency of the adaptive display. Samsung offers the Z Flip 8 in two storage configurations, 256 GB and 512 GB, both utilizing fast UFS 4.0 storage. This capacity allows for ample space for apps, photos, videos, and large files without needing to rely on cloud storage. Though there is no microSD slot, the generous onboard storage options cater to most power users. On the rear, Samsung integrates a dual camera setup, a 50MP wide sensor complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Both sensors capture vivid, well-detailed photos with excellent dynamic range and natural color reproduction. They support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, along with features like super steady stabilization. On the front, a 10MP selfie camera handles high-quality photos and video calls. In flex mode, when the phone is half-folded, Samsung implements dual previews, frames, and a zoom slider that makes taking timed selfies and videos easy, leveraging the hinge to create hands-free setups. Shipping with Android 15 and One UI 7, the Z Flip 8 embraces Samsung